name, turn to administer, head to courses, and from courses in the administer tab, we'll go to create a course down here. And that's taken us to a new course creation page. From here, we can name the course. About the course, we can click here and enter some text. And we will begin by adding a module. Name the module GO1. Create. We can see the module here, and we can add learning items to it. We can add as many as we like, and also as many modules as we like. So from here, we would add learning items. And that would form the basis of our course. The user would need to complete all learning items and modules in order to pass that course.